Hi everyone. Today I am going to share how to use GarageBand application to record your voice or to sing some songs. Okay, now let's open GarageBand application. Create new project, and now we are going to record voice. So let's select audio device. If you see this tick mark one, by default it will be on. If when you start recording, it will be continuously playing. So if you want to test, so it will continue to play like this, so it is disturbance for us, so we can stop it like this. So before you begin, we need to do some settings. First, the size of the audio is fixed, so we need to make it auto. Initially it is 8 bars, so we can increase the bars by doing like this. It will increase, but it's better to go with auto, so we don't need to worry. This is one thing. And next, we can make it on off. If you want to listen your own voice, then you can make it on. Hello. Now you can hear your voice with your headset. Okay. Now if you want to record something, press this red recording button. Komuram bhimudo, komuram bhimudo, kurrasu negadole mandali koduko, mandali koduko. Komaram bhimudo, komaram bhimudo, ragaraga surilai ragalali koduko, ragalali koduko. Stop it. Now I want to say the original one like this, and I will create one duplicate of what I sang. Paste here. Now I will make it mute. Okay, let's play once. Komuram bhimudo, komuram bhimudo, kurrasu negadole mandali koduko. See, now we will do some settings so that it will improve the voice. Mandali koduko. Let's see the difference. Komaram bhimudo, komaram bhimudo, ragaraga suri. This setting will help to reduce some voice. So at the same time, voice also becomes little bit low. So we can adjust this to lower as much as you can based on your voice level and the noise level, and accordingly we can increase this. If you increase the track volume and compressor and reduce this treble, then we'll get better audio. So negadole mandali koduko, mandali koduko. Komaram bhimudo, komaram. Another thing is echo and reverb. These also will help. See the effect. Bhimudo, ragaraga suridai ragalali koduko, ragalali koduko. Now, komuram bhimudo. Let us check the original one. Kurrasu negadole mandali koduko, mandali koduko. Now let us check this one. కొమరం భీముడో కొమరం భీముడో రగరాగా సూర్యుడై రగలాలి కొడుకో రగలాలి కొడుకో.
We can see there is a lot of improvement after doing these settings. There are some more settings here like noise gate. Usually I won't use this option because this will have some threshold limit. So sometimes our voice level also will be in the same level as this threshold of the noise. So there is a chance that our voice also will be removed along with the noise. So let me check once.
కొమురం భీముడో కొమురం భీముడో కుర్రాసోలే మండాలి కొడుకు మండాలి.
If you see, some of the words are missing. That is because my voice level is also in the same level of the noise. So we need to adjust this 20 dB or you reduce it, or we can do like this.
మండాలి కొమరం భీముడో కొమరం భీముడో రగరాగా సూర్యుడై రగలాలి కొడుకో రగలాలి కొడుకో.
It is
కొమురం భీముడో కొమురం భీముడో కుర్రాసో నెగడోలే మండాలి కొడుకో మండాలి.
I think for minus 40 dB it is not removing my voice, but I don't see much improvement. But if there is a lot of noise, maybe in that case you can use this enhanced tuning. This will also improve. There is slightly improvement.
కొమరం భీముడో కొమరం భీముడో రగరాగా
And coming to this track,
కొమురం భీము.
if you see there is some noise at the beginning, and there is some empty space, this part we can remove like this and move, or you can do like this. There is an option split, then just cut it and delete this section. This is one way. So wherever you want you can cut and remove, and if you want a particular portion you can duplicate it and use wherever required. Let's say, and one more thing, you can duplicate like this and copy, paste here. Now you can see like it's kind of chorus kind of effect. There should be slight difference, then you will get that chorus kind of effect.
కొమరం భీముడో కొమరం భీముడో కుర్రాసో నెగడోలే మండాలి కొడుకో మండాలి కొడుకో. కొమరం భీముడో కొమరం భీముడో.
It is like you can see the effect. It is like combination of two voices, like as if two different persons are singing. If you maintain like this, same level, then we won't see that difference.
రగరాగా సూర్యుడై రగలాలి.
We feel like a single voice. So there should be some, there should be slight difference to feel like two different voices are there.
కొడుకో రగలాలి కొడుకో. కొమురం భీముడో కొమురం భీముడో కుర్రాసో నెగడోలే.
There is a gap. while singing there is a gap, so I want to fix this.
కుర్రాసు నెగడోలే భీముడో కుర్రాసు నెగడో.
Like this, if there is any issue, we can cut it and remove. So this is like recording the voice, and there are many things in this GarageBand. You can use any of this instrument. You can add any instrument and you can play with that. I will show one instrument for now. So the process is same. You need, if you want to record, you can just record it.
కొమురం భీముడో కొమురం భీముడో కుర్రాసు నెగడోలే మండాలి కొడుకో మండా.
So you can check the music here.
కొమురం భీముడో కొమురం భీముడో కుర్రాసు.
So you can delete like this. You can delete. So like this you can add all these instruments. And there are different modes we can't cover in this video. So I will try to do other videos to cover all these options. So now we are just playing, it's not recording. When we press recording button, then only it will start recording.
కొమురం భీముడో కొమురం భీముడో కుర్రాసు నెగడోలే మండాలి కొడుకో మండాలి కొడుకో. కొమరం భీముడో కొమరం భీముడో రగరాగ సూరీడై రగలాలి కొడుకో రగలాలి కొడుకో. కొమురం భీముడో కొమురం భీముడో కుర్రాసు నెగడోలే మండాలి కొడుకో మండా.
So like this you can experiment. So once you are done with your audio, then I will delete this for now.
కొమురం భీముడో కొమురం.
There is empty space, so I just want to fill it. So now I am done with my song. Next we need to export this song, save. So by default we will get some name. Okay, so now we have these options. Share, I press this song option. We can share as ringtone or project also, but I am trying with song. So here also there are different options. If we go with high quality, medium quality, low quality, we will have option to choose cover photo. So I go with uncompressed one so that the quality will be better. So now share, opening. Save. So now it is saved to my music files. Yeah, GarageBand remove.
కొమురం భీముడో కొమురం భీముడో కుర్రాసు నెగడోలే మండాలి కొడుకో మండాలి కొడుకో.
So like this we can use GarageBand to create your own songs or to record something. So going forward, I will come up with other videos to how to use the instruments also. Okay, I hope you like it. You like this video. So if you like it, please do share with your friends. Please do subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.